action.
Hey everyone, my name is Mo. Welcome to Recipes and Mo. We're filming the first video of 2021. I want to start by saying Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had great and happy holidays. So 2021, we're all excited. The vaccine is here. Looks like we see the light at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully COVID will be behind us within the next 6 months or so. Very excited about that, and I wish you all to be very healthy and safe and with your loved ones. So the first recipe we're gonna do for 2021, it's a little cold in Miami. Don't laugh. I know this is funny to a lot of people that 50 degrees is cold, but we feel it here, so we get used to 80 and 90. So it's a little cold for us. So I'm gonna make a lentil soup for dinner tonight. Moroccan lentil soup, lentils and onions, cilantro, parsley, a little of paprika, cumin. It's very good. And you can serve it as a side, like as a soup, as a side before your entree. Or you can serve it like I'm gonna do tonight. I made a brisket. So I'm just gonna serve it a salad and then the soup and the brisket. Before we go to it, I'm making mine in an Instant Pot. I got an Instant Pot in Black Friday this year, so we're gonna be using the Instant Pot to make it. If you don't have an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, it's fine. You can use it in a regular pot, just cover it, let it cook, and again, easy to put together, easy to cook, 20 minutes should be ready, very yummy after that. Let's make it. Alright, so what you're gonna need for your lentil soup, Moroccan lentil soup, I invited some people, of course, for dinner. I don't like to have dinner alone. So I'm using 3 cups of lentils. This is all you have to do. Boom. A half bunch of cilantro and parsley. I chopped them, roughly chopped them. Go in here. 2 big onions. And this is how you cut them. You don't chop them. Cut them like that because you want them to be like onion strings. Because once they cook, they're gonna open up and they're gonna be like this with the lentils. Because it's gonna be lentils and the onions, when you eat them, they're gonna be pieces like that cooked. So this is how I cut them. 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, ground ginger, half black pepper. We're gonna do 2 spoons of olive oil. I know what my 2 spoons are like, but you do 2 spoons. And then tomato paste, 2 big tablespoons of tomato paste. 6 cups of water. Salt. Salt's to taste always. Okay. And goes to the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Soup. 20 minutes. And that's it. Alright, so our lentils are ready. 20 minutes. Serve it. See what I said about the onions. There we go. Our Moroccan lentil soup. Voila, bon appetit. I hope this will make your cold nights warmer. Enjoy.